Hey everybody, it's Kimberly Bean with Remax One, and I'm so excited to show you this new home. It's called the Vista, and I'd love to take you inside for a tour. Come on. I love this home because it's 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and we're located here in Waldorf, very close to Hughesville. And the first room that you're going to come upon in this home is a gorgeous den or library, or for most of us, a great home office. I just love it. You're going to notice that we have luxury vinyl flooring throughout the house. It's absolutely gorgeous. Look how it brightens up everything. This is very durable as well. The next room that we have, which I absolutely love, is our dining room. Check out the details in the wainscoting in this particular room, and it's huge. You'll be able to entertain lots and lots of friends and family members here. Right off of the main floor here, coming in from the foyer, you'll have access to your 2-car garage here, and then we've got 2 great closet space. This is a great linen closet. It's going to be fantastic for your kitchen linens and any place you need extra space, as well as a traditional coat closet here right next to it. And then on this floor is a powder room. Come inside to my favorite part. In here, I just love this open concept here. Check out this gorgeous kitchen. We've got quartz counters here. The island is a gray cabinetry. You've got white cabinetry. We have stainless steel appliances, and one of my favorite features has got to be this gorgeous herringbone backsplash. You've got a cooktop here, and a European range hood, as well as a wall oven and microwave. Refrigerator, and then what I love is that we do have space for a kitchen table. Lots of space here. You'll notice we do have a door here that will allow you to build your own deck, if you'd like, off of the back here. And then all of this, it's very open and airy, opens right up to this great room. We have a gas fireplace here, plenty of room for seating, lots of entertaining space because everybody loves to be in the kitchen anyway, right? And then of course, I do love this amazing sunroom here. Look at all the natural light coming in here. It's just gorgeous. I just love it. So this house is 3,460 square feet on this level, as well as the top level where we're going, and there is unfinished space downstairs, which is about 1,700 square feet, and this is going to be the door to the basement area. Let's go upstairs. Look at all these windows. Isn't that amazing? I love all the natural light that's coming in here. Check out these iron balusters on the steps. Just another one of the details that I absolutely love. Here's the first bedroom when you come in. And what I love about this floor plan is that all of the bedrooms have walk-in closets here. This particular room has tray ceilings, additional recessed lightings, and a ceiling fan. You've got lots of space in here to have seating areas if you'd like. And then you've got to check out this master bath. The other thing I love about this master suite is it has its very own huge linen closet here. Let's go check out the rest of the house. In the hall, you have a community linen closet as well, here. And then down this hall, you have a larger linen closet here. So lots of linen closets, one of my favorite features. And then of course, you have the laundry room, which is upstairs, which is everybody's favorite. And you have hookups here for your washer and dryer, and you have the same luxury vinyl flooring on the floor in here as well. All the bedrooms up here except for the master bath share a hall bath. Has the same luxury vinyl flooring throughout. You've got the marble counters. A separate room with great subway tile on your shower. Further down the hall, we've got bedrooms 3 and 4. These are really unique. I love the views that we have. The windows are so large. The room is so spacious. One of the reasons why we call this the Vista. You get a lot of great views in here. And again, another walk-in closet. Like I said, all of the bedrooms have a walk-in closet here. Let's take a trip over to bedroom number 4. Again, really nice sized windows in this room, and you have to check out the closet here. Look at these really great windows in the closet. I hope you enjoyed our tour of the Vista today. A beautiful home here in Waldorf, very close to Hughesville. Again, it's got 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 3,460 square feet on the top 2 floors, and then you have an unfinished basement with almost 1,700 square feet. If you would like more information about this home that is ready for immediate delivery, please give me a call at my contact information below. I'd love to show you this home in person. Have a great day.